Hi there, thanks for joining in and welcome to Southbridge. In this video, I will show you how to make a search box for HTML table and filter its rows data. As you can see, the search results are displaying as we type the text that we are searching for. Also, there is a not found message if there is no result. If you want to follow along, you may download the source code from the link in the description box. Now let's proceed to coding. Now let's create the HTML document and we will set its title to searchable HTML table. Now let's link our style sheet called style.css. Next, let's create a heading 1 tag and set the text to searchable HTML table. Now let's create the search box. Let's use the input tag and assign the ID as search input. Next, let's create the table with the ID of searchable table and let's create its column headers. For the table body, let me copy the table rows I have created earlier. Now let's create the not found message. This message will be displayed if there will be no match in the search. The next step is to add a reference to the JavaScript file. That's all for the HTML code. Let's now proceed to the CSS style sheet. Let's make the body as the main container. Let's set the display as flex and align its children to center. Now let's style the table. Let's collapse its borders. As for the rows, let's make it striped. The last styles are for the search input and the not found message. Now, here is what it should look like. It's time to add the JavaScript. Now let's reference the search input and add a key up event listener. It will call the search table function. Now let's create the search table function. Let's get the search input element again and let's get its value. Now let's get the table element with the searchable table ID and extract all the table rows including the one in the header. We will then get the not found element. It should be shown if no results found. Now it's time to start the searching by looping through all the rows except for the first row. We will then get all the data on the current row. If the search item is found, then the current row remains visible, otherwise, it will be hidden. Now for the last step, if the hasResult variable is changed into true, then we will show the not found message. It's time to test our code. So that's it. That's how you make a search box and search or filter values within an HTML table. Thank you and see you in the next video.